Smiling for Mummy. Yes, yes, smiling. Hi, good morning, my loves. It's not actually the morning anymore. I'm going to do a very quick introduction because I'm supposed to be taking this baby downstairs for some lunch. I have been in bed all morning with the little one, just because she didn't sleep, she didn't nap very well yesterday, and she didn't really sleep that well overnight. She had a good stretch this morning, which is unusual. Usually she does her better stretch in the first part of the evening, but she had a good stretch this morning, but I wanted her to have a really good nap, and I just thought, do you know what, if I try and put her down, she's just gonna complain. But she just had a really good nap on me and then done a really big poo, so I'm thinking she's feeling a lot better now. Sorry to talk about your digestive system on the vlog, baby. I hope you won't mind. So yeah, Zach and I have kind of been taking it in shifts. So, well, I say we did it yesterday and it kind of worked out for us. He does loads of stuff in the morning whilst I feed her and stuff. She tends to be quite hungry and wants to feed lots in the morning because she's had some longer stretches of sleep overnight, hopefully. And then I sort of try and rush through some things in the afternoon. She has taken a bottle twice and refused it once. She refused it at night time when she was a bit more fussy and overtired. So Zach has got some expressed milk. I've started expressing. So yes, we've started trying to give her some bottle feeds when I leave the house. We'll have to do some things, and it was successful yesterday. Managed to get some work done. Hooray. But yes, yesterday when I had her for the morning, I did put her down. But she just was a bit unsettled. I think she was a bit gassy. I put her down so I could get ready, so I could do my work in the afternoon. But I think that's why she didn't have such a good nap. So this morning, that's why I just wanted to sit in bed with her, get her a really good nap, a really deep sleep, and that's what we've been doing. So that is why I'm not up until lunchtime today, and that is just mum life. She's quite contented at the minute in her docker top because of this poo, I think, and the nap obviously. So she's just feeling a lot less fussy now and a lot better. Anyway, we're going to go downstairs and have some lunch now, and then this afternoon I've got a facial, but I'll talk to you all about that in a minute. Hi my love, so completely forgot to film my lunch and I'm already back upstairs. I snatched it basically whilst we took turns holding the baby, so I forgot to film that. But I'm back upstairs, I'm going to get ready. So yeah, I'm going to go and have a facial today, not with D. Thomas, who are my favourite facialists for like skincare, laser. Love them. Not with them though. I'm going to FaceGym, which is an entirely different concept, and basically, if you haven't heard of them, they're all about this facial massage. Well, they call it a facial workout, so they're working out the muscles of your face is the concept, and I've just been really intrigued by it. I want to see what the results are like for defining facial features. Yeah, and since being pregnant, I've just felt really puffy. I feel like I've lost my jawline. Never had that strong of a jawline anyway, but I've lost it even more. Obviously I'm carrying a little bit of extra weight as well, which will make a difference to my face. Yeah, I just wanted to see whether they could reduce some of the puffiness. Obviously I'm tired as well, that contributes to puffiness, and I feel like breastfeeding, or maybe it's just postpartum and it's not all completely gone away, my water retention is still higher than normal. Like my hands still don't look fully normal, my feet don't look fully normal. I like see it coming back ever so slightly sometimes, but then they just get a bit swollen again. It's not as bad. In the few days following birth, my feet were enormous. They swelled up so much. Didn't have it as badly before I gave birth, but I think with all the IV fluids and stuff, my feet were crazy. But anyway, I just feel like, yeah, I haven't gone back to my pre-pregnancy water retention self. But anyway, I imagine this might help a little bit of that, a little bit of drainage, movement around the face, and just, yeah, it might make me feel a bit refreshed as well. People say it's like really firm, but I love a super firm massage, so I am wondering how firm it will feel to me. But yes, obviously I think with something like this, the effects are not that long lasting. It's just going to make you look kind of glowy and nice for maybe like a week. I don't know. I will keep you updated. But I imagine it might be something nice to do before you have a big event, because it's supposed to make kind of lift everything and be like a sort of manual facelift, non-surgical facelift. I don't know, you guys. Anyway, I was really intrigued by the concept, so I've just booked myself in for one. And yes, we'll see how that goes. Anyway, I've come upstairs. Obviously Zach's on shift now with the baby. She is tired, but she is again sort of resisting her nap. I think it's a bit tricky really, because once I take her downstairs, it's quite light and bright down there with the big windows and stuff, but it's quite a lot of faff bringing her up and down all day every time she naps, because as you will know, if you've ever been around a newborn, they nap like 5-6 times a day. I mean, I'm not really counting, to be honest, but that is supposedly what they're supposed to be napping. Anyway, that's just what's running through my mind today, is how to get my baby to nap successfully in both upstairs and downstairs. When she gets even more distractible and stuff, and she also will have more distinct nap times, obviously I will bring her up and put her in the snoo or a crib or whatever, because yeah, that will be her literal nap time. But whilst it's still so up in the air and wishy-washy, it would be much easier if she would just sort of nap where we are, like newborns mostly do, to be honest. But anyway, Zach's taking care of her at the minute, and I'm gonna have a bath. I just feel like I just like suddenly really craved a bath. I just want to be like, just take a breath. Because I feel like I had quite a busy day yesterday, and then we didn't get that good of a night's sleep last night, so whew, so I'm just tired, and I want to take a minute and just breathe and regroup before I go out into the public. Hi my loves. So I feel like a new woman after my bath, but I have to rush. So I'm just going to show you this outfit quickly. Got my mom jeans on, this old Levi's tee you've seen me wear a million times, this old Topshop cord jacket shirt thing. Can't remember what these night trainers are called, but I will put it in the description box. And I'm wearing my Stella McCartney Falabella for the first time. Not entirely sure it goes, but I just wanted to wear it, so I've popped it on. So yes, I'm gonna go downstairs now and check on the baby before I leave, and then it's facial time. Exciting stuff. Hi my loves, so I haven't vlogged since I went for my facial, which I enjoyed. It is basically like a facial massage. And they do this like electric shock thing, which feels weird because all your muscles twitch. But I have to say that I felt like it was going to be more intense, and it was actually not that intense. I felt like I was really going to get pummeled, but I ended up not being pummeled. So I don't know if you guys notice a difference in my face. My eyes have started reacting again before my facial. I don't really know why. They went normal again for a couple of weeks there, and now they're back to being red and itchy, so ignore my eyes, but don't know if you think I look more defined. I don't think it had as big of an effect as I thought it was going to, but I still kind of enjoyed it because it was like a massage. But I'll put my before and after pictures next to each other and you can have a look. I did manage to remember to take some so I could sort of compare, but yeah, if you look on their Instagram and stuff, some of the transformations look really crazy. I'm not sure I'm noticing a huge difference, but I do look glowy and, you know, refreshed, and it was an incredible experience. But anyway, so I haven't vlogged since I got back because I was just looking after the little one. She started flagging in the evenings about 6, 7-ish. And she doesn't, especially in the evening, she does not nap down here very well at all. We can get her to nap down here in the day, but it's quite busy and bright, and there's lots of lights down here, and it's probably the loudest part of the day. Like in the daytime down here, it's actually quite quiet. So yeah, she could have like a pre-bedtime nap, but it just doesn't really work because she can't really have one down here, and if she's upstairs she may as well be in the snoo starting her nighttime. Anyway, all this to say, I've started a sort of like little bedtime routine with her. I looked it up. She's still pretty young to be doing that, but she gets so tired at that time of day that it just seems to make sense for her anyway. I would like her to go down a bit later because she then has like her best stretch of sleep sort of when we are still awake, but that's what she wants, that's what she needs. So yes, took her upstairs, did a little bath, and then put her down. She did actually wake up like an hour after she went down, and we did another little feed and a resettle, and she's been sleeping. I don't know, she might wake up and not have her nice long stretch of sleep. You know, it's still unpredictable at this point, but anyway, started a little bedtime routine. It does mean that if she does sleep, we get a little bit of the evening to catch up with things, chores, eat dinner by ourselves. Anyway, Indy baked some brownies. I forgot to show you both my meals today. What was Indian beef pepper fry? Pepper fry?
Beef pepper fry.
Indian beef pepper fry for dinner tonight, and it was very, very nice. Anyway, we're going to clear up some bits and then head to bed. I'm so tired. Whew.